Oh, welcome back to another episode of Steve Actually Does Something. We're gonna clean them bird feeders today. I don't do a lot, man. This is what I consider work now. First thing you gotta do is get you a glass of iced tea. You gotta stay hydrated. A little bucket full of water with some Dawn down in there and a couple extra rags sticking around. A couple extra shop. Then I gotta go over here and I gotta get these first thing I do is get this all the holes scraped up. A rake and daggone coal shovel. We got an old coal shovel. Throw it in that bucket, take it to the trash can. Alright, that's my haul, my waste haul. That's everything from underneath, and any trash and leftover holes from the bird feeders. You can see that difference. I don't know if you can tell on there or not, but down here it goes right down to the dirt. That's all you got to do, and it only happens under your feeder like this. Your platform feeder, everything stays up in here. You don't have no waste down on the bottom. Nothing, no holes, no seeds or anything hardly. They love this thing. Absolutely love it. Alright, then we wash them down with a hose, get all the cruddy stuff and all the loose holes or anything. And then we go to washing. Ain't that big a deal. Takes about a 30-minute job maybe if I ain't filming. All we're doing is wiping it down a little bit, just disinfecting it a little bit. We do this in here, and we'll do the tray feeder thing over yonder, the actual feeder house. Once you spray it down, it really takes off everything. You just disinfecting stuff here. But I tell you what, this tray feeder is great, man. They love this, and it don't get you don't have no trash under it hardly at all. Very little. So and that's about it. I put this together with a piece of 6-foot cedar. Just use these corner braces to screw it together and put some old window screen I had underneath. They love this thing. Now we'll go on to the bird feeder there. Alright, but I got this one finished. Just got to do this one side here and be able to stick it back up. Well, we'll rinse it off and then we'll dry it. Let it rinse it off, yeah, and then let it sit and let it dry. Ain't gonna take it long in this heat today. It ain't that hot, about 85. Ain't much to it. But they say you ought to clean them at least once a month or whenever they start getting cruddy. I do them about once a month. I think that's gonna be it. We'll take them over and rinse them off. Alright, while we let them dry, we'll go over here with a glass of tea and relax for a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go mount a board, a little 2x2 ledge right about here. Then I can set my camera on here and strap it to around it and hold it in. and you'll be able to view both the feeders sitting here. I've been trying to figure out a way to get some video of them eating in the mornings because there's so many of them and many varieties, and get to see the squirrels and stuff too, trying to grab up whatever they spit out on the ground. But that's it, about 20-30 minutes at the most. It's what I consider work now that I'm retired. Look at them, they're confused. There's two on the end down there looking for the bird feeders, and there's a cardinal down there on the ground. He was up there first, now he's down here looking for any scraps that might have been lost. There they are. That's how used to it they are.